Trinidad, 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 Trinidad. Jano, Jano, Jano. Now this young lady was assassinated, assassinated, walking to her car. And one of the craziest thing is, is that now they have killed her brother-in-law. So now I'm thinking they must be after her money, because if they come after you and do you like that, and then a day later the brother-in-law, what the hell is going on in Trinidad? This killing is so coward. He's a real coward. And if a pussy like that was in my camp, who run up on a female like that, body boy, a skinny alive. But just looking at this, you can tell it was a paid assassination. It was not personal for the person who was doing the killing. You see the white car parked down the street, and they know who she was, and she walked casually, up the street, across the street to her car, not looking behind her one bit, because she don't expect anything. That's another thing. When you live at Trinidad and Jamaica, you have to be very vigilant. And then you see the car drive up, the brother stop, so you have a driver, car right hand drive. So you go eat, the passenger seat is on the left hand. In America, it's on the right hand side, the passenger seat. So you had a drive up, him run out quick in a block with khaki pants. Boom. I see him pick up something like the cell phone. Him is a bottom feeder. You understand? Old corner boy, bottom feeder, 87. We get $2 grand to go do that. And that is so disgraceful. That's what me see in this video as a profiler. So somebody is paying these bottom feeder to attack these people. You see it right through Trinidad all the time. You see it in the soup deal, billionaire, car dealer boy with the Bentley. Him and him wife, they're the wife man the house. Phone call him, come out, boom, him dead. Me hear say a Django do that one there. And the list goes on and on. So listen, what I'm saying is, anybody have any information on this, hit up Countryman, cause me not like this. This right here, so really sick my stomach. And that's all I can say on it. Big pussy whole thing. Bottom feeder run up on the woman. You can't tell her $2 grand Trini and get her $4 grand to do that. And the lady lose her life. Probably have her kids them. And then him a go home and sleep in her bed. This is how me get frustrated and start cuss up a whole heap of bad word. And remember me tell you, because me know that this family ain't gonna get no justice. And them have to do them own justice. And that is so unfair. You know, me listen to a police boy talk, Mark Shields, the other day, and him say if he was police commissioner again in Jamaica, the first thing he would do is prosecute all of the street crime, meaning that you have people a litter, you have man a back out them body and a piss on the road, woman a stoop down in a corner and a piss, the driving recklessly, no honor for the road code. You see a man a go, you know, say it's a one way and him still broke the law and go up there and holding the Constitution. So I've always said there is no way you can have a civil country if you don't prosecute these kind of crime, or if you don't hold people accountable to the Constitution. So until them get that fixed, it's gonna be a bloodbath, and me no want to hear people blame Prime Minister Rowley, because Rowley is doing his job. It starts with the community. It starts with the man who drive the man to go kill a woman there. And him girl know. And him girl probably tell her mama. So right there, so now you have about 4 or 5 people know. Say him kill a girl there. And nobody not talk. Now if me was a woman, and me know say my man will kill out a harmless woman, I left me a blood clot left him, you know, cause guess what, one day him have a blood clot killer. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. If anybody have the information on this, please give it to me. You know, the other day, me I watch some pussy, and me I say, them pussy a run up on me, you know. And I know nothing serious. But yo, them not even know who them a play with. I will clean them up. You understand? They clean them up. They just have to calm down and know, say, listen, Countryman, if anything you make the authorities deal with it, you understand? Cause I clean them up, you know. But me I said, no. One vice, they on the right side, I said, tweet. The next vice, they on the left side, I said, no, Countryman, you have to use the right way to do this. Cause if you don't, you know what's gonna happen. I'ma just go with the vice on the right and calm down and think, yeah. So you see me not take no check. You know them kind of from nobody. You see, when me the other road, people can't stop and ask me the time and all them blood clotting there. You understand? We don't play them game there. Me not say hi to people, you know. Can't stop. Hey, hi. Then you pull out gun for me. No, sir. Me keep it moving. That's all me I tell you. Help solve that case, yeah, man. Very disturbing. I'm out.